hashtag short caravan. I don't know, 2009 model. They said it needs an engine. It's making a loud, stupid noise. Let's find out, guys. Whoa! Ooh, that don't sound like no engine. Let's take a peek under here, guys. Sound like some type of exhaust. Uh-oh. I see a new cat converter has just been installed. Oh, y'all see that clear pipe? So somebody been messing with the exhaust on this, guys. All right, this is a hashtag short video, so y'all need to stay tuned. All right, the check engine light on. I wonder why. Brake light on. Okay, well, the brakes are applied. Tell you what, this is a hashtag short video. Y'all stay tuned for the full video, man. We're gonna get to the bottom of this. Hashtag short. Alrighty, guys, let's get a closer look at this. Whoa, this look brand new, guys. Somebody just put on a brand new cat converter. Is this select fit? Y'all know what select fit means. When you buy it and it should fit like factory. It's looked like select fit because it came all the way to the rear. Is it OEM? No. I don't think so. It's definitely not OEM. But all that noise was coming from this area. Let's see what's. Oh, man. That's where all this noise is coming from. Now, where am I hitting? Oh, guys, look at it. It's not even bolted. I'm not touching this, guys. So basically all the noise is coming from here. This clamp looks like it's tightened all the way down. This is what kills me about people, man. They'll take their car to another shop, get this stuff done, and then they'll, when it ain't right, they'll head to another shop. Like, why you gonna let the other shop off the hook? They just took all your money, made all your money. I'm sure this cat converter was not cheap. Like I said, I think this noise is coming. Yeah, right there. Y'all see that? So it's not even on there. I'm thinking I can just get a perfectly good clamp and close that connection and keep it right. But I'm gonna have to charge them for that. So which begs the question, why don't you take it back to the shop that did it and get them to do it for nothing, for free? I don't know, man. So these places lose confidence in these other shops. Or here's the other option. They can get it done at a bigger facility, and if the bigger facility screws it up, they can sue them. That's why I told y'all, those big facilities, they do not like doing risky repair. If it look like it's gonna be a risk, they rather bag out. That's why a lot of times y'all dog me out for not want to tear down an engine and all that foolishness. No, man, these big places are not trying to hear that. If it's a high risk, they're not interested. This is not technically a high risk because I can see what's going on. I just need a better clamp. So I'm gonna give them the option and let them know, you know, you might want to take it back, or we're gonna charge you to make this connection fit properly the way it's supposed to be and not make that noise.